The Dinosaur Jungle. Once upon a time, in a lush green jungle, lived many dinosaurs. These dinosaurs included small herbivores and large carnivores. One day, a small herbivore dinosaur named Tinny heard that a big and scary dinosaur named T-Rex had come to the jungle. All the dinosaurs were very frightened. Tinny thought, I should do something to keep all the dinosaurs safe. Tinny gathered his friends. One of them was a triceratops named Tony, and another was a long-necked brachiosaurus named Brocky. Tinny said, we have to work together to stay safe from T-Rex. Tony suggested, we can build a strong fort. Brocky said, I can throw stones from the high branches of trees. All the dinosaurs worked together. They built strong forts and prepared to climb trees. When T-Rex arrived, he saw that all the dinosaurs were united and ready to face him. T-Rex thought, everyone here is very brave. I shouldn't stay here. And he left the jungle. All the dinosaurs were overjoyed and celebrated together. Tinny said, we have proven that there is great strength in unity. In the end, all the dinosaurs lived happily and safely. If you like the video, then please like and subscribe our channel.